Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located in the quiet area of Hopefield, in Clarendon, is this beautiful gem ready to be occupied. This property is well footed and has great potential for other amenities. The land area of this house is approximately 5,000 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 29 million or US $188,400. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.